Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hold on, I'm trying to. Okay, there we go. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Can you guys hear me? You guys see? Oh, actually, I don't think on Discord I can share my camera, huh? I don't think on Discord I can. Yeah. Good morning. Can you hear me? I don't think on Discord I can share my camera. But all right, cool. Let's go ahead and wait for market. We do have news in 30 minutes. So let's see what happens with that real quick. So let's go over NAS real quick. So well, NQ. So off the hourly, we held the previous day low, right? Like I said last night, this breaks lower, holds up. So we did hold the low. We did have the hourly shift here. So I do have my fibs drawn out. I want to see a retest into the zone here. Pretty much a 30-minute and 15-minute breaker right here, all right? So we do come down here. We can look for longs. Market looks pretty bullish. Pre-market. So we'll see what's up. Happens right now. I just kind of want to let the price settle in. Now ES over here, it actually just rejected the 4-hour 50%. Oh, that's gonna be a nasty leak. Yeah, that shit just rejected nasty. ES rejected the 4-hour 50% there, guys. Damn, that's just yeah, off the 50%. I'm in no positions right now. Just being a little bit patient, trying to see what pops up. Catch a nice solid trade for you guys. Slightly up pre-market from some sells, but 5 minute shift up, 15 minute shift up. He said hourly break for me. I can't play longs till we tap the 50%. So hopefully maybe the news will push us down here, or if it pushes up above this high, then I'll take that too. We haven't tapped above the high either. So what are we stuck between right now, guys? What are we stuck right now between what? Does anyone know? What kind of liquidity are we stuck within? We haven't hit exactly T-Lock. We haven't hit our external liquidity yet. We did take our internal liquidity. We did have a break, but we haven't broken above the highs or lows. So right now it's just being patient, waiting for those setups, and then we can execute. Right. So I'll get us into play. Let's just be a little bit patient here, guys. I saw some of you guys in Discord. Some of you guys banked. Um, pretty good. Some of you guys banked in the morning. You guys caught the moves. Nasty wick on that Q option side. Uh, break below here or below here. I can take either side. Microsoft stuck. Everything's stuck in a range, man. I guess we'll have to wait for the news. AMD is one that looks solid, but I still need a break below 155.49 for AMD anyway. So still being patient. Actually, I would actually jump the gun once I get a 15-minute break below this low. And what do we have here? What's gonna form, guys? Yeah, that looks right. The bullish order block though. Highway. Remember, downside is bullish. That's support. But yeah, it looks right. But yeah, it's traded for life and an M, which is buy to sell, right? So if we do get the break below this low, This is pretty much what I want to see. Does break below, retest the weekly open, come down to this low, break this low, target down here. So let's see if this can. I'm gonna leave this down here. And let's see in the 15 minutes if we do get that break. Let's just wait now and see what happens. But yeah, you guys see it now, right? The good thing is you guys are starting to see these type of things, which is really good. That means you guys are learning. So AVGO, oh AVGO in the gap for the gap down, guys. Guess everything's gonna maybe give back its profits right now. Yeah, I mean it's at the low for the gap down here. Apple's popping off the open. It's bouncing off that low. Some guns. You wait for confirmation. Wait for those breaks. Spies at the. EQ's below daily open here. Daily open here. Everything's kind of pulling back here a little bit. AVGO just retested. Actually, AVGO looks really good, guys. Get the break here. This could be nasty. Looks like it wants to break. Damn, crazy. Yeah, spreads on AVG are insane. Damn, NQ just sold off nasty. Wow. 40 points sell off. Trying to see if I can get some of these AVGL stuff. 1470 puts. I'm trying to see if we can get filled on them, but the spreads are pretty wild, guys. Oh my god, NQ is fucking letting go. Sheesh. Yeah, spreads on AVG are pretty nasty, man. I can't get filled. I'm just canceling my order in these. Like, the spread's wild. There goes AMD. Cool. All right, so if we're gonna get the break on everything, AMD, and how marketing though. If we get the break on AMD and NQ right here in a 15 minute, so watch this 50% bounce. If it holds this low, we can play buys. Okay. Yeah, I just went short. I was like, good shit, brother. That's us leaking. Yep. AMD's leaking. I just don't want to jump the gun without confirmation, so let's just I need to get a better mic. Yeah, but for like YouTube by the dip, I think I don't think it's as loud. You vote on runs. I do like the audio one. I don't know to be honest. Audio mixer. Mic. Thanks all the way up. Hello. Sound just got better. It did. Okay. All right. Well, hopefully that fixes it. All right. So look, see, it bounced off the breaker here. It bounced off the breaker. It looks like it's gonna hold that 15-minute low, right? So I want to be patient, guys. I don't want to rush it today. I'll get as a trade. I'll get as a trade. Just wait. Nasty, nasty bounce there. 3 more minutes for a 15 minute. QQ is actually retesting daily open here. No break on the 5 either. I just can't short this here. If I'm too short, I'm too short just because QQQ daily open tab and ES rejecting the 4 hour 50%, but there's no 5 minute break to the downside on ES either, so um mm, doesn't make sense for me here. Not the best risk to reward. I mean, okay, let me analyze the whole market real quick. Microsoft is breaking down. 2 more minutes, it could get the break. AVGO's holding the low. Apple rejected the high. Next, no break. NQ, no break. Breaks. QQ's trying to get above daily open. News in 17 minutes, guys. We do this, we can just risk D. D is pretty bearish though, so it could be. Actually, let's look into video. Soul right here. The video looks like it wants to push up. Yeah, everything's pushing up. No reason to try to short just yet, man. Not worth it for me. ES is weaker though. ES is weaker though compared to NQ. Amazon retesting daily is getting above. Let's see. If NVIDIA rejects the high and QQQ rejects the daily open, I'll short. I'll short because ES is showing aggressive weakness. Amazon is at the daily open. Microsoft is showing weakness. AMD showing weakness. Apple's rejecting the high. Nvidia might reject the high. So I mean, even here we'll risk this high. 20 points pretty much would be our stop loss on these NQ, which isn't a bad trade to be honest. And like I said, news in 15 minutes. I'm gonna take some starters here. I'm gonna take some starters. Starter sells here. 18 seconds left to know if I get stopped or not. See. So we are gonna close below the daily open on QQ, so that's pretty good. ES looking weak here. Okay. Okay. A little 10 points here on NQ. Give us lower, baby. Let's go look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA rejected the high. That's good. Apple rejected the high. AVGO rejected daily. AMD got the 15-minute close. Cool. I found my options play for today. Let's mark up the level. So for retest, beautiful. Right at the weekly open with the 50%, with the imbalance, with the breaker. A plus setup when we get up there. Amazon at the daily open. Yeah, it's looking a little bit weak here. There, target that low day. Nvidia's probably lagging behind AMD. AMD's bearish, bearish, bearish. Reject there. Microsoft getting a little pop, pop. Apple rejection. What is that? Oh, that's the break. Damn, Apple has a uh, 15 minute and 30-minute head and shoulders there. Okay. Bad. Mm, yeah, Tesla. Yeah, they're probably gonna wait for the news. 14 minutes for news. Last stop will be above the high here. How much time? Hourly. 13 minutes for the hourly high. If it closes above the hourly high, we're gonna shift. Obviously, break structure bullish. So I'll take my L if it does. Or there's nothing crazy. Yeah, it's looking a little weak. I rejected daily. QQ's trying to go for the high from yesterday at 476.56 high, which is equivalent to NQ's hourly high here. Let's see if we sweep this double top here and tap the high, reject, close below. We like the cherry on top. Just swept that double top there. Okay. Should have got the hourly high. That would have been. QQ is rejecting that high that I just mentioned, that 476.56 level. It's rejecting it, so pretty nice. Let's see, 1 minute. 1 minute. If it closes below daily open, would be amazing. Yeah, ES, SPY, XPX, a little bit weaker here. Let's look at NVDA. NVIDIA's trying to break above that high. Apple's still rejecting. AVGL is still struggling with the daily open. AMD still leaking, no retracement just yet. Microsoft retested daily open. A little bit of divergence here. News, 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 news. Ten seconds. QQ closed below daily open. That's good. Above it now though, but it closed below, so that's a good sign. News in 10 minutes. Spies below daily. ES held that 5-minute low. I don't like that. Microsoft rejected daily open. A&D still breaking down. Apple still rejecting. Nvidia's trying to break above. Watch that weekly open. Weekly open be equivalent to NQ hourly high. What did that all go do? Algo just went long. QQQ. Rejecting that high. That's nice. What we could see with the news, if we're going to be bullish, we can see that pop for AMD into the buy to sell setup and get a nice rejection off that 50% weekly open. That's what I would want to see. No boring price action so far. Not yet. Apple's rejecting. I mean, I'm probably gonna retest this break on a 5. Did it get a break on a 15? On these NQ sales, guys, don't panic, relax, take deep breath, and we're gonna bank. You know what? You know what it needs? You know what the market needs? It just told me. It told me play our anthem, and we're gonna do that. Come on, there you go. Let it go, baby. There you go. It's working. There you go. This is the part. This is the part. Ready? Dump it, dump it, dump it, yeah. Dump it, dump it. There you go. Come on, let it go, let it go, let it go. Ooh, it wants to go. All right. QQ's trying to get below daily open as well here. That's good. SPY still below daily open. ES looking a little bit weaker. NVIDIA's rejecting here. Apple could just be a retest here to head higher, guys, if I'm being honest. AMD, we need that retest, man. Microsoft rejected daily open. That's very good. Amazon stuck at the daily open here. We're just chopping. 6 more minutes for news. 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. Let's see what happens here. Nice little rejection again. Come on, baby. Obviously, I'm gonna target this slowdown here. That's my TP. Alright, we still need this 15-minute break here, and I feel way more confident. QQ slightly closed below the daily open. A good sign, not the best sign. ES is letting go here, though. There we go. Come on, ES. ES should be leading us here, guys. ES got the 5-minute break, though, to the downside, so that's good. Let it go. There we go. There you go. Back 10 points here on these NQ cells, guys. Nice. 15 points here on NQ cells, guys. Moving to my stop, break even on these NQ cells, just because we got news in 5 minutes. I want to see the breakdown continue, or if news stop me out, break even. Don't lose money. And I actually just got stop break even. And that was a quick 15-minute buy up there. 15 point buy up. Okay. I'll just wait for news now. I got stop break even. News in 4 minutes. I just want to be patient now. Can the news completely sell us off here right now? Yes. ES got the break. NQ has it. So I don't want to force NQ if I got no confirmation, right? I need NQ a 15-minute close below here to continue downside. So far, it's looking bullish intraday on the hourly. On the hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute. Every time frame except the 4-hour and daily are bullish here so far on NQ. So I don't want to fight the trend today, the bullish trend. I don't want to fight it right before news here without the confirmation break. So just trying to be patient here. Obviously, I'm not in any options yet right now. No clear setup is chop. These contracts are probably getting decayed, whoever's playing options right now. So I prefer waiting for those breaks and those retests to catch a trade. Okay, guys? Patience, patience. Hopefully we can get a pop here, catch AMD. That'd be amazing. That'd be like the best setup. What would be my risk? Actually, it would be the high up here, so my stop loss would be above on that 15-minute. Apple, NVDA. Yeah. I mean, ES is letting go here. If it continues lower, ES will get the 15-minute break back to the downside and will be golden. We could re-enter these NAS cells here and risk the same high again, but what's 20 points? 55 here. They can make it to the hourly. Not worth it for me. Are we gonna be right? Yes, but I want to tap, man. I want to tap at the hourly. Break it down. Let's like the 1 minute. Yeah, it's just telling me the story here with AMD though. So have those AMD contracts up, guys. Have AMD contracts up because we will be taking some AMD puts if we do get their retest. Okay. Let's see. Not in anything just yet, but I mean better um, to be prepared, right? Let's go look at those AMDs. If we're gonna play puts, it's gonna be around 160. We can do the 155 puts. Obviously, we need the pop up there, right? So if we do the 155 puts on AMD on the retest, those should be right about 120-ish, 120, 120, 1.0 to 120. So let's see if we can get that little pop up there. 35 seconds. We are gonna get the 15-minute break here on ES to the downside. So NQ, yeah, NQ looks like it's lagging behind. NQ can just sell off down here. I like the downside here now. ES is leading us. Yep, ES is leading us downside into the news. 10 seconds here. It's gonna have the 15-minute break. NQ hasn't. NVDA is rejecting. Apple is trying to reject. Microsoft's rejecting. Okay, so ES did get the 15-minute break to the downside. Let's see if we can get a nice retest into that. Imbalance of 55.26. That'd be like beautiful. And had to close above these highs yet, so still give us that hourly. Sweep that high. ES just tapped the break. Have a 50% tap. Equivalent to that NQ. There you go. NQ at the high. QQ at the high here. Good area. The ES tap though. Okay, NQ getting a pop here. Power. Might catch the top here, guys. Okay, ES just tapped to 50%. I'm gonna take some starter sells here. I want the 4-hour taps. I just took small size here on these sells. If we reject straight here, cool. That'd be amazing too, but I want that 4-hour 50% up here. Nice. ES just tapped to 50%. NQ just rejected the hourly. Nice. 12 points here on those NQ sales, guys. Nice, guys. Nice. 15 points here on NQ sales, guys. Amazing trade there. Moving up stops, break even. Not go back above that high. We should not go. We should not go back. Action here. Amazon's trying to push up. Microsoft. How did the consumer's number come out? Good or not? 104 to what? 100.4 versus 100. Hourly, we did close below. Like that ES here. Of the weekly here. ES and XPX are lagging behind, or they're leading us to the ES goes for the optimal. That'd be very nice to see the 50% here. There you go. 50% NQ here. Taking small sells here again. Risking a hard stop 20 points. ES still at 50% too, so good. ES at the optimal here. We should. If not, we're gonna break right through this range. Above the 50. I don't like that. We're right at the optimal in ES here though. So this is nice. And we're at the 4 hour 50% for NQ. Pretty nice area here to short. 9 more minutes. ES rejecting the premium here. Apple's pushing up. That high. See if ES is really gonna guide us. Buy at the daily open here. Nice rejection on ES off the premium. Lower here. Back down here. Nice to see. Buys at daily open. NVDA getting a little rejection. Apple's rejecting. Microsoft right back at daily open. I reject weekly. Yes, here today. Nice rejection on ES. Nice rejection on NQ. Nice rejection on SPY off the daily open. Microsoft rejecting daily. NQ up here. Five more minutes for that 15-minute high. Yeah, still rejecting the premium here. Haven't hit previous day high, brother. What are you talking about? Pretty much the 15-minute close above here. I'll stop out. Google new all-time high. Sheesh. Microsoft at the daily open. AMD. Let's see if it gives us a retest. AVGO rejecting. Apple looking a little bit weak here. NVDA trying to reject here. SPY at the daily open. Yes, right at the premium again. Yes, trying to get a little pop here. 15. Amazon's still trying to go. Microsoft's trying to get above daily here. AVGO nasty rejection here. Apple trying to reject as well. NVIDIA trying to reject as well. Still need this hourly break above here to see if we're breaking out the range though. Stuck in that range here though. Apple's rejecting. Good spot here. It's trying to reject the daily open again. Of yeah, ES is pushing here now. It's following NAS. NQ here. SPY's above daily. Yeah, AVGO spreads are fucking crazy, bro. rejecting. Maybe Tesla. What a candle on Tesla. 30 seconds. NQ got the 15-minute close above here. Let's look at the 30. Close above the 30 just yet. 15 more minutes. So what am I gonna do here? I'm just gonna set a hard stop above that high here, guys. If I get stopped out, it's gonna be above that high. I don't feel like waiting another 15 minutes. If I'm gonna get stopped or not. Nice little rejection so far here. Oh, it's trying to break down. Apple's breaking down. Just rejecting. Buys getting below daily open here again. Still need the hourly close above this high here. So 44 more minutes. Yeah, AVGO might actually break it. Yep, it's getting to break. Those spreads are nasty though, bro. I couldn't play it. The spreads are nasty. I couldn't get filled. As much as I wanted to, I couldn't. Okay, nice rejection on NQ. Same thing on ES here. AVGO's breaking down. Nice. Apple's breaking down. AMD's retesting here to break down. Tesla's rejecting. Amazon, NVDA trying to reject here too. There you go. Back break even on these sells here, guys. Let's see if we can come down below the high and then close below in the next 42 minutes. That'd be amazing. Nice rejection. No panic selling around here, guys. Make sure not to panic. Nvidia's at the daily open. Apple's rejecting. AVGL's whew, breaking down. We're in profits on these NQ sales here, guys. Excuse me. Nice. Nice reject. If we get the hourly close below, guys, whew, we're gonna go for previous day low or low of day today, really. Traded right at the daily open. Needs to get below it, and we can see more downside. If it holds it, we can pop here off that break on the 5. AVGO is just going. AMD's trying to break down. A little divergence I'm seeing here. Yes, it's trying to lead us. Nice, guys. NQ sells up. Nice, guys. Let's go. NQ sales are up. Make sure we're securing profits. Make sure we're moving up stops. Amazing trade there. Hopefully no one panic sold. I'm holding your hands. I'm on live showing you guys. No one should be panicking. Please do not panic. Under my supervision. You guys posting holding hands on me. Alright, funny as fuck. Great trade there. Make sure you guys are moving up stats, please. Do not let a green trade go red. I'll say it again. Do not let a green trade go red, please. Please, 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 please. My TP, it's going to be right here. So if we do get a break below this low, guys, and retest this inverse fair value gap will form, oh, I'll add more size, and we're going to have the actual top of the day. Very, very nice. This is why I mean cancel out the noise. Everyone was talking about buys, buys, buys. We're gonna head higher, higher. Always cancel out the noise. Trade your plan, trade your system, trade your strategy, trade what's in front of you. Don't pay attention to other people. You know, we knew for since yesterday what these levels were. We marked them up. Why we marked them up, I explained to you guys 10 times. So you guys knew the importance of these levels, right? So as long as you guys know that and you guys know why we took that entry there and where our stop was at, that's pretty good, right? Like I said, the only thing why I said a hard stop was because we got to close above here on the 15, so didn't want them to catch momentum, head higher, so I set a hard stop above that high, and we just made profit, right? A quick 18-point move there on those NQ cells, so I'll take that any day. Compounding gains all day today, it's making us money. I just need AMD to give me a solid rate test, baby. Can I do the camera on? Oh wait, I can. Bruh, hold on. Let me see if it works. Can you guys see the camera? Can you guys see me? On my Discord or no? I turned it on. Let's see if it works. Or is it just one that will work at a time? There, NVDA below daily open. I don't know why. It just says loading. That sucks. Wait, why? IB Dragon? So IB Dragon. Let me. Well, it depends. What you trade it off of? What'd you trade it on? What the fuck? Sheesh. A big stop, guys. Oh, trading view. Damn, that's fucking crazy. Would you guys be mad at me if I made you stop out for 100 points? Psychedelic, yeah. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, I saw on someone's Telegram right now. That's wild on fucking NQ. 100 crazy. That's on not accepting your loss type shit. All right, cool. So SPY's back at daily open. Um, yeah, it's kind of boring now. Price action's kind of boring. I mean, we caught a quick scalp, quick move today. Made some money. Not crazy, nothing crazy. But I mean, better than nothing. Alright, it's just the divergence here. I don't like it. Between ES. Yeah, FMM is crazy. Between ES and NQ. I like that ES is still respecting that 15-minute break structure and the 5-minute order block as well. Um, I just personally don't like that NQ got the 15-minute break above. Really, I gotta wait 35 minutes to see if we're gonna close below. Even let's say a 30 minute, 5 more minutes. If we do close below the imbalance, I'll re-enter sales again. Damn, that's fucking crazy. What broker is that? IB Dragon. All right, brother. Have a good day. Take care. Yeah, SPY's back at daily open. That means in the whole hour we have not gone anywhere for SPY. And if it is right at the daily open, means in an hour we haven't gone anywhere. Apple just got a little shifted. Downside, this can be the rejection. AVGO's in the gap to the gap down. AMD should get a little pop. Give me my retest. Microsoft trying to go for a weekly open. Tesla. Oh shit. I mean, ES is telling us down here, right? This is the retest. And then NQ is actually retesting a 5-minute order block here, but we haven't had a shift. Did on the 1 minute though. Very, very aggressive if you're gonna play. So if you want to take sells again, your risk is 15 points. Not bad. NVDA held the daily open though. Right here, you're less than 12 points on NQ risk. Try some sells here again. Let's see. 5-minute order block. We're risking less than 10 points. Probably not. I guess I'm still trying to push. Did my camera ever load? Didn't. Bro. I think maybe because I'm streaming it. Nice. 10 points here on those NQ cells, guys. Very nice. All 10 point scalp there. Let's see if we can get lower. ES is truly guiding us down. This should just be the beginning of the breakdown here. You guys are moving up your stops. My settings. I have to check. Nice. Come on. Nice. Don't get me excited. Excited and then bounce. Breakdown, baby. Buys rejecting the daily. That's good. Buy close below the daily. There you go. NQ sells back at 10 points here, guys. Nice. Nice. 15 points here on NQ sales, guys. I'm gonna trim some here. I'm gonna bring down my take profit down low over here. Nice, guys. Nice. 20 points here on NQ sales. Taking off a little bit more here. Moving on my stops break even. There you go. Beautiful trade. 20 points there on those sells. Buy rejecting daily open. This is looking good. This is looking very, very good. This is looking promising. Come on, brother. Let's break it down. Don't go about. I got stop break even there. Cool. At least I was able to trim some. Got 20 points. Let's go. I'm actually pretty much done here, guys. I think I'm being greedy now. I'm done for the day. ES is trying to hold up here too. They held daily. Microsoft's at the weekly. AMD's approaching. I. Action there. Apple. Pushing less than 5. Yes, going for the 4 hour here. AMD's not doing anything, bro. I actually want to see. Try sells again. Hard stop. Oh, 8 points in profit here. Galloping to the fucking max. Love my stop here because I'm catching myself being greedy, guys. I'm moving on my stop. I feel like I'm over trading here now, so you gotta know when to stop yourself, right? Pretty much was just gonna close above this high now. 10 points, baby. League it. Nice, nice. Break it down. Let's go. Why you get me excited? Then you fucking do that. Come on, fucking Latina, NQ. Sheesh. Nice. Hell yeah. All right, trimming some here. Move up your stops. Move up your stops. Move up your stops. Please move up your stops. Microsoft rejecting weekly. That's great. That's great. Fucking great. Move up your stops. Don't let the green trade go red. Might be the top of the day. If we do close below this high, that's amazing. Break it. That a crazy TP down here. That's good enough TP for 20 points here on NQ sales. Actually 18. I'm lying about 20. It's 20 exactly, but 18 points here, guys. If we want to be exact. I'm actually gonna take some off here. Keep trimming and trimming and trimming and trimming and trimming. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice trade, guys. Caught that with me. Caught that trade with me. Not much anymore. Yeah, ES exactly. T-Lock. ES can't get that 15-minute break. And NQ couldn't get that 5-minute break above this order block here. Microsoft couldn't get above the weekly open. What else? AMD still no retest. AVGL still breaking down. Apple retested here. This little 5-minute. Let's look at the 15-minute. Little 5-minute break and retested the imbalance and rejecting. So, NVDA still not really super excited about NVIDIA here, but I mean, whatever it wants to do, NVIDIA's gonna do. We made our money, secure your profits. Other than that, it's pretty much it. Pretty good day. Um, Scalps, guys. Like days like these, and so what did I explain yesterday about take profits? When I say take profit, when I say our take profit hits, you do what? You take profit because this is a prime example. Days like these are choppy. They don't wait for you. You can see you can see a profit and then it just bounce up and your profit's gone, right? So that's why I keep even though like how many times did I get stop break even today? Like 2, 3 times, but I've been able to catch some moves and I've been able to add those gains up here, right? So that's all it's about, guys. Is making sure you're protecting your capital and compounding those gains, right? Because if you're not doing that and you're just not selling because, like for me, I said my taper was down here, but if I'm not to trim, even though I got 20 points, if I'm not to trim because I want all the way down here, that's stupid. That means I don't like money and I love money, you know. So it's about being smart and securing profits, guys, and just really understanding that. Okay. Microsoft still reject. This is sitting up here now in this range, so. I still below daily open, but like I said, it's very choppy now. Top and profit goods. Yeah, yep. Profit's better than a loss, no? In my opinion, profits are better than losing. So